Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Freya'sCorner. Now we will take you to Sultan Beach Resort, which is nestled in the serene coastal town of Khor, Qatar. This idyllic resort offers a perfect retreat for those seeking relaxation and break. Sultan Beach is a beachfront resort located in Khor, Qatar, and it is a coastal city situated approximately 50 kilometers north of the capital city of Doha. And Sultan Beach is a popular destination for locals and tourists looking for a relaxation beach getaway. The resort boasts a beautiful sandy beach with a crystal clear waters, offering visitors a scenic and serene environment. The beach is well maintained and provides facilities such as sun loungers, umbrellas, beach cabanas, and for the guests to relax and enjoy their time by the sea. And Sultan Beach offers a range of accommodation options to suit different preferences and budgets. Some accommodation may offer stunning sea views, private balconies, and access to exclusive facilities. And the resort also provides a variety of dining options to cater to different tastes. So you can find the restaurant and cafes offering local and international cuisines, including free seafood dishes. Khor itself has several attractions worth exploring. You can visit the Khor Museum to learn about the city's history, and then explore the scenic of Thakhira Mangroves. Anyway, we're still not been there, the Thakhira Mangroves. Or take a boat trip to nearby Purple Island, which is known for its rich biodiversity and archaeological sites. Sometimes we need to embark ourselves on a journey of relaxation and rejuvenation. So, immerse yourself on the tranquil beauty of Sultan Beach, where you can truly unwind and unplug from the stresses of daily life. So seize the opportunity to create unforgettable summer memories with your loved one at Sultan Beach in Khor. So thank you guys for watching.